Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to eat more potassium. Potassium is a crucial mineral that plays many roles in your body, from maintaining fluid balance to supporting nerve signals and muscle contractions. Getting enough potassium is essential for overall health, especially for maintaining healthy blood pressure. We'll explore easy ways to boost your intake through everyday foods. Many delicious foods are packed with potassium. Think about incorporating more fruits like bananas, oranges, and avocados into your diet. Vegetables such as spinach, sweet potatoes, and broccoli are also fantastic sources. Don't forget about legumes like lentils, nuts, and even dairy products, which can significantly contribute to your daily potassium needs. For most adult males, the recommended daily intake of potassium is around 300–400 milligrams, while adult females need 200–600 milligrams. To reach this goal, focus on eating a variety of whole, unprocessed foods. Remember that cooking methods matter. For instance, steaming vegetables can help retain more of their potassium content compared to boiling. Small changes can make a big difference. Increasing your potassium intake offers significant health benefits, including helping to lower your risk of stroke by up to 21%. It also plays a key role in balancing sodium levels in your body. However, if you have kidney disease or other health conditions, it's crucial to speak with your doctor before making major dietary changes to ensure it's safe for you.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.